Welcome to this week's edition of Rare Disease Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs in rare diseases from February 6th to February 13th, 2025. Brought to you by LucidQuest, this series delivers highly curated insights into clinical trials, regulatory updates, and emerging therapies that are shaping the future of rare disease treatment. Roivant subsidiary Roivant Therapeutics has announced the discontinuation of its pulmonary sarcoidosis program following the Phase 2 RESOLVE lung study of namilumab, an anti-GM-CSF monoclonal antibody. The study failed to demonstrate meaningful clinical benefits, with no significant improvements in corticosteroid tapering, lung function, or patient-reported outcomes. As a result, Roivant will redirect its focus to other therapeutic areas. Behring has released long-term efficacy data on its Hemophilia B gene therapy, HEMGENIX. In a 4-year follow-up, patients who received the therapy demonstrated a 90% reduction in annual bleeding rates and near elimination of joint bleeds. Factor IX activity levels remained stable, and 94% of patients no longer required routine prophylactic factor replacement. These results reinforce the potential of HEMGENIX as a durable, one-time gene therapy option for Hemophilia B patients. Cure Rare Disease has secured a $5.69 million grant to support the clinical development of an antisense oligonucleotide therapy for spinocerebellar ataxia type 3, or SCA3. Preclinical studies have demonstrated promising functional improvements in a disease mouse model, paving the way for first-in-human trials. SCA3, the most common form of spinocerebellar ataxia, is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder with no approved treatments. The funding will accelerate efforts to bring this targeted therapy to patients. Denali Therapeutics has reported encouraging results for its investigational Hunter syndrome therapy, tividenofusp alfa. In a Phase 1 of 2 study, the treatment normalized key disease biomarkers and showed improvements in hearing, cognition, and behavior. Based on these promising results, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has granted tividenofusp alfa breakthrough therapy designation. Denali plans to submit a biologics license application in early 2025. Roche's anti-CD20 monoclonal antibody, Gazyva, has demonstrated strong efficacy in lupus nephritis. In a Phase 3 trial, nearly 50% of patients treated with Gazyva plus standard therapy achieved complete renal response at 76 weeks, compared to 33.1% of those receiving standard therapy alone. The treatment also improved markers of inflammation and disease activity. Gazyva is the first and only anti-CD20 monoclonal antibody to show a statistically significant complete renal response benefit in a Phase 3 lupus nephritis study. Santhera Pharmaceuticals has secured reimbursement for AGAMREE in Germany, making it the first federally priced treatment for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, or DMD, patients aged 4 and older, regardless of their genetic mutation. The therapy is priced at €3,612.50 per 100 milliliter bottle, translating to approximately €52,000 per patient per year after rebates. AGAMREE is now accessible to 90% of the German population, with over 300 patients representing 30% of steroid-treated DMD patients already on therapy. Unlike corticosteroids, AGAMREE is a novel anti-inflammatory treatment that does not negatively impact growth or bone metabolism. Want to stay ahead of the latest rare disease research? Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. We cover breakthroughs across multiple therapy areas, so visit www.lqventures.com and reach out to LucidQuest at info@lqventures.com for healthcare consulting services. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.